Often there can be a lack of space for all the teeth to fit normally within the jaw. The teeth may be crowded. Not only could this cause teeth to wear abnormally and make teeth difficult to clean, which can lead to decay and gum disease, but as you know, strengthening your teeth will improve the aesthetics of your smile. Depending upon the diagnosis of your case, certain teeth may need to be removed before beginning orthodontic treatment. The use of braces will correct crowding or spacing, improve the bite, and align the teeth in 4 stages. These are leveling and aligning, correcting the bite, finishing, and retention. The first stage of orthodontic treatment is called leveling and aligning. During this stage, the teeth are aligned into the dental arch form. Next, the teeth are leveled to the proper height in the jaw. Some arch wires are made from super-elastic memory wire. When they are placed in the braces, the wire must bend to reach each bracket. Since the wire has a memory, it wants to go back to its original shape. This helps your teeth to move into proper position. The second stage of orthodontic treatment is establishing the correct bite, where the cusps and fossa of your teeth fit together properly. The cusps of your teeth are the points or mountains on the chewing surface of your teeth. The fossa of your teeth are the depressions or valleys on the chewing surface of your teeth. Note how the teeth should fit together properly, creating the surface area for you to chew your food without wearing down the teeth. When your teeth do not fit together properly, your bite may need to be corrected with elastics. Your dentist may correct this problem by hooking an elastic to an upper tooth and a lower tooth. The third stage of treatment is finishing, where any detailing of the cusp-fossa relationships are completed. The fourth stage of treatment is retention. During this stage, your braces are removed and retainers are fitted for your mouth to hold your teeth in their new position. Your teeth and ligaments, in a sense, have a memory. When your braces are removed, it is very important to wear your retainer as instructed so your teeth do not relapse.